Welcome to Harbour Isle Yacht and Racquet Club. The Ports of Iona condominiums were built in 1984 and marketed as a luxury resort in the Spanish style with elevators. Harbour Isle was developed around the existing saltwater marina and freshwater seawall canals, beginning in the early 90s by Carlton and Newman. There are two sets of Harbour tennis courts, heated pool and spa located in the community for your enjoyment. The clubhouse is a workout area and is a wonderful place to gather with friends in the community. The high-rise condos all have views of the water and boast only 2 units per floor, 2,601 to 3,325 square feet, and have a private elevator to the condo. The saltwater marina has room for fishing and pleasure boats with quick access to the Gulf of Mexico. The mid-rise condos have secured lobby, under-the-building parking, pool, elevator, and 1,660 to 2,500 square feet, and have views of the water. Freestanding estate homes complement this gated neighborhood. Many are located on the freshwater canal and have their own private pool. Also included are attached villas with 1 or 2 car garages with high ceilings and gracious open floor plans. Harbour Isle has 221 dwellings, is pet-friendly and close to Sanibel, Captiva, and Fort Myers Beach. And we can't forget to mention all the tropical foliage and beautiful wildlife. So come make yourself at home at Harbour Isle Yacht and Racquet Club.
Keep in mind that when you choose a realtor from John R. Wood, you're also choosing the company, John R. Wood Island Real Estate. And you can rest assured that you're dealing with a local company backed by over 50 years of successful results and known throughout the industry for its integrity and professionalism.